Alright, hey everyone, I think I found an easy way to get these stubborn screws out of the Honda Accord's rotors. These screws here, usually they're a real pain in the butt. But let's try this out. First, just take a drill and kind of drill out the threads and give yourself a nice opening. Sorry about that, by drill out the threads, I meant drill out the head. And then with the punch, just start whacking kind of at an angle. Should break it loose. Once you've kind of busted it up a bit, and you can just take a flathead screwdriver and out it comes. I just busted up. I have one of these tools here, impact driver, and you can see how much fun I've been having trying to get those screws out. Been busting bits left and right. So finally I gave up and I just decided to start drilling it out, and in the process I found this method seems to work pretty smoothly. Anyway, hope it works for you. Good luck.